With this setting, you can make your Samsung or any Android battery life more longer. So let's try. Let's see the settings. So just go into the settings. You need to go into the battery tab, scroll down, go into battery tab, and you'll see the battery protection. When you just turn on that thing, so what is happen, you can see this thing. Keep your battery full 100% charge a long time can reduce the lifespan, which means if you charge your battery 100%, that is not good for your battery life, so it will reduce your battery life. So when turn on that thing, the battery protection, it will give you the three option, which is the basic. When you on the basic, when you charge your battery 100%, charging will stop automatically on 95%, so the battery life will be very good. And after that, the adaptive, use the maximum while you're asleep, or switch the basic to the before you wake up. And the maximum, if you wanna go for the maximum saving, that's it will stop your battery for 80%. So I think the basic one is good. So just select the basic one, so whenever your charging goes to 95, it will stop and it will save your battery life. Thumbs up if you like that video, and subscribe my channel for